this is Brian from First Time in China. If you're having issues with your Alipay verification, this video is for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button below. Some of you may find it's very difficult to get your Alipay account verified. You may facing the issue that says to bank a mainland Chinese bank card, or you don't know how to scan your face to complete the verification process. Don't worry, let me help you out. Before we dive into the points, I want to explain a little bit more about Alipay. If you only use Alipay for payment, actually you don't have to get it verified. Let me show you. I have a unverified Alipay account, so I can show you how to make a payment even though your account is not verified. Here you can see the ID information. It says verify now. That means this account is not verified. If I click my name card, the real name here, it also says unverified. Don't worry. Let me show you how to make a payment. Now I have my QR code for the merchant. So basically I just click scan this QR code and just enter any amount and type my password to complete this payment. Here it shows the payment was success. So if you only use your Alipay for payment, honestly, you don't have to get it verified. But still, I suggest you to verify your account because there's more benefit. All right, before we continue, if anyone wants to test your Alipay once you set up your account, here is the QR code you can use. Simply click scan on the top left corner and scan this QR code. Input the amount you wish to test. I suggest you to put at least $1, which equals 7 RMB, and click payment. Just type the password of your Alipay. Then you should success make the payment. The benefit of verify your Alipay account, for majority people, it will enable Alipay balance feature. If your account never been verified, actually you cannot use Alipay balance. Some of you may wonder, if I can use my overseas bank card to make a payment, it seems like there's no reason for me to use Alipay balance. So here's the trick. If the merchant only supports saving account, that means your overseas card will not be able to use with that merchant. In that scenario, you have to use the Alipay balance to make the payment. The second reason is sometimes your bank will block that transaction because your bank might think your card has been stolen by somebody. So they will block the transaction. In that scenario, you will find out better to have a few $100 in your Alipay balance, just in case. If you want to top up your Alipay balance, you can always contact me below with my WeChat or WhatsApp number. Another reason for you to verify your Alipay account because there's some functions in Alipay only supports verified user, such as metro, city buses, Hello shared bike, 12306 train tickets booking system. The second part, I'm gonna introduce you 3 ways that you can get your Alipay verified. The first is use your passport. The second, if you have a Chinese PR, you can use a Chinese PR card. The third, and not many people knew this, you can use a Chinese Mainland bank card to get your Alipay account verified. There are a few documents which is not supported. First is your driver's license. Second is your green card. Some of you might see you have a US green card, but that's not supported with Alipay. And the last is your own country's ID card. I know in Singapore they have their own ID card, but when we're talking about verification with Alipay, you have to use a Singapore passport instead a Singapore ID. Next, I want to discuss the status of your Alipay verification. Basically, there are 3 status. First is not verified. Second is half verified. This status in Alipay system called validated but not authenticated. The last is verified. Most of the problem happens on the half verified status. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button below. The most comments I received for verification basically are 2 types. First, if you are from Europe countries or America, your status might shows validated but not authenticated. Why this happens? Because Alipay have to follow the Europe rules, which is called GDPR. These rules do not allow Alipay to scan your face. In that case, you cannot finish your Alipay verification. The other case is outside Europe and US. You may having the issue of Alipay asking you to upload a Chinese bank card to complete the verification. That case a little more complicated. So if you are from those European countries and US, to complete the verification is very easy. You just fly to another country outside these countries. For example, you fly from UK to China, and then you can finish your verification in China. As long as you land in China, it will take like 30 seconds to finish it. So don't worry, guys. If you are not from Europe or US, you may facing another issue, which is Alipay asks you to upload a Chinese bank card. In this scenario, it is a little bit more complicated. If you are holding a passport of those countries, basically there's not much to do for you without finding a Chinese Mainland bank card. Unless you are already in China, then you can contact Alipay customer service, tell them you are already in China. Either you're here for travel or for study or for work, whatever reason, just tell them you are already in China. Enable the location permission of Alipay, and they can tell you are already in China. In that case, contact customer service and appeal. They may give you another option for you to complete the verification. If that still not work, tell them you're gonna make a complaint. There are some other reasons may cause you trouble for complete verification. If you have issues with your Alipay or WeChat or anything related to China travel, you can always contact me below with my WhatsApp or WeChat. If you need a one-on-one consultation, it's also welcome, but there's a small fee might charge. Thank you so much for watching.